अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। सिर्फ ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस अगर आप ये कर लेते हैं तो आपका जो पेपर है बिल्कुल आराम से हो जाएगा। वीडियो एंड तक लाजमी देखिएगा क्योंकि इसमें इतने इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं। अगर आप ये कर लेते हैं तो आपका जो बोर्ड का पेपर है 11th क्लास के इंग्लिश का, वो बिल्कुल आराम से हो जाएगा। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले जो मेरे चैनल के ऊपर नए हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले, वीडियो को लाइक करें और बेल आइकन पे लाजमी क्लिक करें। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं जी। सबसे पहले जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है बुक 1 से, वो देखेंगे इस वीडियो के अंदर हम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाई डिड नॉर्मा कंसीडर द टोन एंड एटीट्यूड ऑफ मिस्टर स्टीवर्ट ऑफेंसिव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाई डिड आर्थर डिसएग्री विद हिज वाइफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाई डिड नॉर्मा try to pursue her husband to agree with her. Question number 4, were the reasons Norma gave to her husband to accept the offer. Question number 5, why did Mr. Stewart continue preceding Norma? Question number 6, what is the significance of Arthur's life insurance policy? Question number 7, why did not old man followed the advice of doctors? Question number 8, why did Harry want to go back by the earth? नेक्स्ट मूव करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 की तरफ। व्हाट क्लाइमेट डिड दे हैव फेस ऑन द मार्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, व्हाट वाज द कंडीशन ऑफ द बैटिंग फैमिली ऑन द हेयरिंग ऑफ द वॉर ऑन द अर्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, व्हाट वाज द एडवाइस ऑफ हैरी गिव टू द पीपल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, हाउ डेंजरस कैन अ मॉर्टन वायरस बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, व्हाट हैपेंड टू द बॉय व्हेन ही ट्राइड टू स्नैच द पर्स। Question number 14, how did the boy look physically? Question number 15, what was the condition of the boy when the woman gave him a few jugs? Question number 16, why did the woman ask the boy to wash his face? Next, question number 17, why did not the boy run from the house of the woman? Question number 18, what was the nature of the woman's job? Question number 19, why did Gorgeous give the pocketbook to his employer? Question number 20, what made Hubert shameful? Question number 21, why did the people make fun of his innocence? Question number 22, why did he keep claiming his innocence before the death? Question number 23, what was the effect of Mr. Hubert protesting? Question number 24, what was the subject discussed at the club? Next, question 25, how did Gorgeous pursue his people to make his country strong? Question number 26, what was the viewpoint of the parents of Gorgeous? Question number 27, what were feelings of Gorgeous on the ocean of inaugurations? Question number 28, what was the behavior of girl with the doctor? Question number 29, why did the doctor call his sick girl by her first name? Question number 30, how did the sick girl look by appearance? Question number 31, what was the advice given by Nishiravan to his people? Question number 32, what was the remedy suggested by the physicians for the disease of the king? Next question की तरफ मूव करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, why did the boy look to the sky and smile? Question number 34, what should be a role of causing? Question number 35, how did the diseased king recover? Question number 36, what did the quick do in the next village? Question number 37, why did the farmers throw wheat leaves on the fire? Question number 38, what was the desire of every farmer? Question number 39, why are the locusts compared with the bad weather? Question number 40, why did the men eat their supper with their good appetites? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, व्हाट वाज द कॉज ऑफ नार्गस डिस्कॉन्टमेंट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 42, what are the qualities of veterans of creative suffering? Question number 43, what is the dream of the Martin Luther King Jr.? And next question है 44, what should be the pattern of judgment for the person? Question number 45, why did Dallas sell her hair? Question number 46, why did James sell the gold watch? Question number 47, why did Della feel sad on losing her hair? Question number 48, what was the wisdom in selling the most valuable things? Next question की तरफ मूव करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 49, describe Molvis appearance. Question number 50, how did much the Molvis collect on every Eid? Question number 51, why did the people come out on the mall? Question number 52, why did the driver of the truck speed away after the accident? Question number 53. Who took the young man to the hospital? Question number 54. What does the author like about Christmas? Question number 55. Why are the noble deeds always a great joy for the author? ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है तकरीबन 55। अगर ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन अगर आप कर लेते हैं तो आपने जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर्स के अंदर आने हैं बुक 1 से वो बिल्कुल आराम से कर लेंगे। बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।